Many patients come to me and ask this question: can I take COVID vaccine because I am pregnant now? Let us see the answer in today's video. Hi friends, I am Dr. Karamat. This is Scientific Doctor channel. In this channel, your health related queries are answered via videos which are released every week. If you want to see such videos, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. Also, if you have any such queries, kindly post it in the comment section. I will try to answer them in subsequent videos. Today's query is about COVID vaccines being taken by pregnant women and lactating women. So we have to understand, before any vaccine is approved for use in public, they undergo various stages of trials. So after these trials, both their efficacy as well as their safety is assessed, and then only they are released for public. Since this pandemic created a time sensitive way for manufacturing and testing of these vaccines, all of these vaccines presently in use have been approved for use under EUL, meaning for emergency use listing. So the complete trials, the long form trials are pending, but they have underwent trial and saw the safety in the short term and have approved for use. So initially they were not tested in special category of individuals like pregnant women, lactating mothers, or even in children, because children were not considered to be initially of high risk and they are also a special risk group for vaccine testing. So that's why they were approved for use initially in adults. But it is not that they were harmful or considered to be harmful to either pregnant or lactating women. So vaccines in general are generally safe for lactating women and in pregnant women, because there is always a risk of transmission to the fetus. Live viral vaccines are not generally recommended for use in pregnant women like MMR or chickenpox vaccine. So generally other vaccines are safe to use. In fact, TT, Tdap and flu vaccines are recommended for use in pregnant women because these diseases can have problems to children or to pregnant women themselves. So they are recommended for use in pregnant women. What about COVID vaccines? COVID vaccines now are a wide variety of vaccines. They can be killed vaccines, or they are viral vector vaccines, or they are mRNA vaccines. So none of these are actually a live attenuated virus. So these vaccines don't have live COVID virus in them. So theoretically they are not harmful in pregnant women. In fact, after the approval for use in general adults, there were trials in pregnant women and were subsequently allowed for use even in pregnant women. But the Indian government specifically waited for data to emerge. And in fact, the good news is that now the government of India has approved the use of COVID vaccine even in pregnant women. Now it is already approved for use in lactating, feeding mothers. So now it is approved for use even in pregnant women. What about the COVID disease in pregnant women? In fact, the COVID disease can have disastrous consequences in pregnant women. It can lead to severe forms of COVID disease and can have problems even for the baby as well as the pregnancy. That's why pregnant women are at high risk of COVID disease. In fact, now they are the potential candidates for getting these vaccines. So without doubt, now pregnant women can take these COVID vaccines. We have to remember that these vaccines were not approved because the trials were not completed, not because they were meant to be harmful. The technology itself is not meant to cause problems to the baby or to the women, so they can be safely used. Now with the government of India also recommending the use of pregnant women, all mothers, all expectant mothers are expected or are requested to take these COVID vaccines at the earliest. In fact, taking COVID vaccines for pregnant women as well as feeding mothers is also in a beneficial way to the babies. How? because the vaccines are not yet approved for use in children, no, even the vaccines which are abroad have been approved for use in children, they are not recommended for use in very young children. So still the trials are not complete. So till that time, who's the most close contact with the baby? It is the mother. So if the mother is protected, it is going to ultimately result in some degree of protection to the baby also. So ultimately, if the vaccine is taken by the pregnant women and the feeding mothers, it is also going to be beneficial to the babies, reducing the risk of transmission from the close contact who's the mother. So mothers, both expectant mothers and feeding mothers, are requested to take COVID vaccine at the earliest. Hopefully this video would have cleared the confusion regarding COVID vaccines in pregnant mothers. If you found this video useful, kindly share it among friends and relatives. If you want to see such videos, subscribe to this channel. Till we meet again, bye.